Hello everyone, what's going on? In this video, we're going to add database in our API for our Blazor. So to begin, we're going to add a library. So this is going to be called Blazor app EF because we're going to create entity framework, code base, code first approach to our application. Hold on. And then um, we're going to add the packages that we need for entity framework to work. So um, we're going to add all of this thing, but we have to change this to target .NET 5. Yep, target .NET 5 because we're using .NET 5 already. And we have to update all the packages. That's the NuGet. And then in here, I think we have a very slow internet. Okay. Wait for it. Okay, so update all of this. Is it done? Yep. And in our API, we can add this package for designing a code first approach and EF. Okay, so add that. Okay, so next is we're going to set up our EF. So it's gonna be app db context, then db context here, then use entity framework core, then create the constructor here, and yeah, we will add that one, and we need to add a core um, core layer for the models, that model or that core maybe, and we will begin with using employee here and add the employee there. Get the ID, getter and setter, name, and then can set up a db set here, db set employee, the thing here is employees, and we'll have to yeah, I think that will be it for now. There's a lot of we can do fluent design also here, but I will just make it simpler for this tutorial. And we can, does it have connection string now? No, it doesn't have any connection string for now. We can add this, and our name here will be Blazor App Adventure, like that. Okay, so I think that would be all, and we're going to um, add migration in it here. Then it will initialize our database. Is it done? Um, cannot load. Oh yeah, we forgot to set up the DB context here in our startup. So in our startup, we need to have this, and then add the DB context here. I'll just add the package here, ef. Okay, and then set that up. And use a DB context, use Microsoft Entity Framework, and make another migration. And boom, so we have a migration script that is generated. So we can add like a fluent API for designing our database, but for now I'm just making like the default entity framework um, engine, or how do you call that? So right now I run this update database, so it will make the migration, and I think there's an error. Yep. Okay, so I think because we have we're now using a different IP, so IP config, yeah, so this is now our new IP, and then alright, so let's update database again. Okay, so it's done, and then we're going to our Dragon server. So Blazor App Adventure is here, and then there's employees table. Okay, cool. So we want to test this if this is already running. Okay, so we're going to apply the DB context here. So again, we can make some architectural this refactor here where we can add services and then all those um, structuring of your code, but this will do for now. Well, then this get here is going to return a weight of employees that as no tracking to this async, and then if we run this, so we can try to insert something here. Insert into how can we make this text um, font size bigger? Settings, text editor, font size will be 18. Okay, so with this I can insert into employees where set where the name and values. Let's do Vlad. Um, and me2x and jpx. Okay, and then we insert this and then we run that, and what's wrong with this? We run this. So we call 6001 and API. So it's gonna be HTTPS, and it doesn't have anything. Okay, Swagger. So if you run employees, then there should be Vlad, Mimi, and JBX. So we can try to run this, our Blazor WebAssembly. To 5 years of my life and still trying to get. Okay, so employees, we should get. Oh, where's our employees? Oh, there's an error. So what happens? So employees here. So it's because this is already 6,000, and we run again. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world is made of this brotherhood of man. Whatever that means. Okay, so employees here. And where's my data? It doesn't deserialize because this is now string. We should have like an employee. Okay, so this is where I'm going to show you how we can have like a common library for both app the Blazor and the API. But for now, we're just going to create our own model here. For, so it's gonna be class employee and ID. It should be the same with our model in. Okay, so ID and then public string name, okay, like that. And this one should be an employee now instead of a string. And so be an employee here as well. And yep, that would be it. And yeah, sorry, we have to change the name here as well. So it's gonna be employee.name. Okay. So after we ran that, employee is here and still having error. So let's check what is the error about. Go to um, I'm feeling a little peculiar. So let's check what is the error. And then I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath. Sweat says hide and I drip double my lungs. What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's start again. Click employees. So, an unhandled exception. What is your exception? WebAssembly fetch. What? I'm feeling a little peculiar. And then I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath. Feel high and I strip the top of my lungs. What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I tried. Oh my god, do I tried. Try for all the time. In this institution. And I pray. Oh my god, do I pray. Okay, so this one is hello, this one is a test. Okay, this one about letting it hang. As it a. Okay, so let's try that one first. And in here, I just try to remove that one first. Okay. And I pray. Oh my God, do I pray? Okay, and then employees. And then if you want to add that one there, put a breakpoint here why it's returning and handle the exception. Um, do we have something like a course here? We already have. We're implementing curse. And I pray. Oh my God, do I pray? Say it single day. Revolution. Okay, so we're making progress there, and after that we're going to say for each var employee and employees we're going to say employee here dot name. Okay, and I tried. Oh my God, do I tried. Okay, so there you go. I'm not sure what happened earlier, but yep, so we have here now. If we're going to add more data like yeah, mama or papa, then insert that. And if we're going to refresh this, remove the breakpoints. So there you go, we have that one there. Okay, so we want to make some little tricks here. Um, how can we make this an observable? I like observables, and hold on, let me try private return observable of, or no, we will return I observable list of employee and get employees, and then in here, remove that. So return observable. Of I don't know how to return this. So yeah. Uh, how do we do this? And I tried. Oh my god, do I tried. Rx.net, HTTP return observable. To observable. Okay, so we have that and return this one. Result is equals to this one, and then result that to observable. Alright, cool. And here if so we can remove this. I think no, we don't have. We will not remove that. We can like this. Mm, Okay, so we will have to like that. Okay, so here return so rx.net empty observable return Okay, okay, we can do something like that. So we can say this one, then subscribe, the await as observable, like that, and then observable that subscribe, and then the employees here would be this one. Okay, cool. So we can try if it still works. Until I wake up in the morning and step outside and take a deep breath, but a bill, hide and I. That's one. Uh, and handle exception. Okay, so I think we're going to run again. Interesting. Okay, so it didn't work. So we'll try to update this to remove the async. This one, and we're going to remove this, and this one should be just a simple get maybe. Okay, so it doesn't have a normal get, so we have to put it on an await thing, and here this one should be a task, still a task, so that we can await that. Okay, and then await this one here, and subscribe should be put this one here and put this one here. Okay, so let's do this again. And there's a institution and a bray. So it didn't work. How about get employees await observable? Yeah, that didn't work. Um, mhm. Oh my god, do I try? So on the trades. Okay, so we'll try the example that they provided, and this one should be a list of employee, and then this one should be the spam of, then this one should be like that. Okay, so like that. Yep. Um, I don't know what's going on here. Task. Await task that completed task. Okay. How about like that? I can't find reading. So she's a time she never sees it. Old drugs will beat her now. Employees. Try to hold us down the more we press on. Okay, so we can try to add a list here. It still work. New employee and ID is one. Name is Vlad. Let's see if we're going to have Vlad there. Lost Santa times and on the season. Fall trust fading out. Oh no, why did I return empty? So this should be an observable of, or maybe we can do something like this. This is the list, right? So we can say like that, and then that to observable. What? Can't find around another season. Sent to town. Observable of list of employee as Okay, so let's try. What's on the radar now? Got a word is that a hamburger. Turn on the steeds and to miss a head, just hands and amount of feet is we are one, we are strong. So it didn't work. Yeah, let's break this video. It's getting longer, and we'll try to do this again.